can't say no.
Check your body, check your body.
Okay guys, so you know the deal. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel down below. Hit that little red subscribe button, and also don't forget to hit that notification bell. That way you guys are notified every time I upload a new video, which is going to be Mondays and Fridays. I feel like I say that in every video, but I just want you guys to know when I upload, and I want you guys to be notified because YouTube does strange things all the time. So I am going in today with the new KKW Mario collaboration. I just got mine on Thursday. I did purchase the bundle, so I got the 2 lip glosses and the lipstick as well, so we will be using these in the video. And I wanted to really quickly just show you guys the palette. So it says KKW times Mario here. The palette itself is just very plain. Like, this really wouldn't catch my eye. The only reason obviously is because it's KKW and Mario, but if it was in like in a store somewhere, it definitely wouldn't catch my eye. But when you open it up, this is like perfect. These shadows in here are really beautiful, and I know everybody's been doing looks with this blue shade right here. So the first shade I'm going to go in with is this one right here, and this is Miami. So far the shadow alone was really smooth, and then I want to go in with this one next. So I'm going to go in with this shadow, and the name of that is Libra. And I'm just going to take my Sigma E40 brush, and I'm going to concentrate that into the crease. I just kind of want to concentrate it right here into the crease instead of like bringing it a little bit up. Although I want to go in with that gold shade right there, I'm not going to do that because that's something that I always do on my channel. You guys know I love gold. So the next shade that I want to go in with, I think I want to do the blue on my lid, and that one is called, let's see, Libra. I think, yes, no, that's not called Libra, that's called Albanian. I'm trying to read it off the back and I always have a problem. I think this one is called Albanian, if I'm not mistaken. So I'm gonna go in with that on my lid, and I am gonna be taking the Anastasia number 18 brush. This is a flat shaded brush. I bought this yesterday, and I needed something that was going to pack on my shadow on the lid really nice, and this one works well. So I'm gonna just take a little bit of that blue and then put it right on the lid. This blue is really vibrant. I feel like if I put a base underneath it, it would definitely be a little bit more vibrant, but it's really nice, and it actually blended out really nice and smooth. And so far so good, not having any troubles with the shadows. So now taking this shadow again, I am going in with a clean brush, and I'm gonna go and put that right into the crease right above that blue. So I'm just gonna take this shade right here, and this shade is called, okay, 2008 I believe, and I'm just gonna go in on the outer corner. So I cleaned up my eye with a makeup wipe, and now I'm going to go in with this Catrice. This is their black gel liner, and I'm taking this Tarte brush to apply it with. So just to make this stand out a little bit more, I want to go in with this STILA Glitter and Glow shadow. And this one is into the blue, so it's kind of like purpley and blue iridescent. So I'm going to take this 210 brush from MAC, and all I'm going to do is put that on the crease starting from the inner to the outer corner. Okay, so now going right into the face, I'm going to take my Fenty Beauty. This is their primer, and I'm just going to put this all over my face, and then I'm just going to go in with my foundation. So the foundation I'm going to go in with is this Tarte Shape Tape one, and this is the Hydrating one. So I'm just going to put this a little bit on my forehead, cheeks, and also my chin area, around my nose. So for my concealer, I'm going to go in with the Tarte Shape Tape, and I'm just going to put this underneath my eyes. Okay, so before I go in with my powder to bake, I'm going to go in with this Hoola Quickie Contour Stick. This is from Benefit Cosmetics. And I'm going to contour my cheeks. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with my Too Faced Peach Perfect. This is their setting powder, and I'm just going to bake underneath the eyes. I'm actually going to put this all over the face as well, because I feel like when I do that, it sets like my makeup in and it doesn't move. So I'm just going to take this Milani powder in Nude, and I'm going to take this Morphe brush, my E2 brush, and all I'm going to do is just dust off that powder and then set it. So now I'm just going to take my number 7 bronzer. I'm sure you guys are sick of seeing this on my channel, but this is my favorite. This one is in Golden Sand. They do have, I think, a couple of versions. I think they have 4 versions of these, but this is the one I like. So I'm just going to go in with this Morphe E4 brush. So instead of doing blush, I think I'm going to go in with this Mineralize Skin Finish from MAC. And this is their Perfectly Lit Mineralized Skin Finish. I just picked this up and I want to show you guys how beautiful this is. So I'm going to use it as like my blush and a little bit of bronzer. So now for underneath my eyes, I want to go back in with the palette. I know I haven't done my lashes yet, but I'm going to do that at the end. So I'm going to go in with this shade. Actually, I'm going to go in with this shade first, and I'm just going to put that right underneath my eyes and smoke it out. And then I'm just going to take this shade right here and smoke it out as well. So before I pop my lashes on, I want to go in with the Smashbox Fanned Out Mascara. And I'm just going to coat my lashes. And then I'm going to pop my lashes on, and I'm using Lash Star lashes. And this one is in the number 8. I'll show you guys how this looks. So they're not too dramatic, but they're nice and wispy. So I'm just going to pop these right on. And then this one is called Juicy, and I'm just gonna swatch this right here next to Classic K. So hopefully you guys can see that. And that one is called Juicy, which probably would go better with Classic K. But I think I want to go in with Super Nude on top of it. So lastly, I'm going to go in with my highlight, and I'm going to be using the Babe in Paradise. This is Bretman Hart's palette. I did do a video all about this palette. I will link it up here for you guys. So I am going to go in with, let's see. I usually like to mix them. So let me go in with Vacation, Mahu, and also Get Laid. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I really actually enjoy the palette. I feel like the colors blended really smoothly and nicely, and I'm glad I picked this up. And I also like the lip color too, because I'm always looking for a nice nude lip color, and this is kind of like the perfect nude shade. Now as for the packaging is different. I don't mind it. It is different. I really like it. And the packaging on the palette, as you guys saw in the beginning, I wasn't too crazy about like the plain palette itself, but it's fine because the shadows inside just do it justice and I don't mind. So going into the glosses, I loved the glosses. My favorite one I think is going to be Super Nude, just because you can top it probably on any lip color and it's going to give it like this nice sheer nude shade. I don't have anything like this in my collection, and I have a ton of nude lip colors, and I didn't find this sticky at all, so I really like that. Juicy is pretty as well, but I think my favorite is Super Nude, because like I said, I feel like you can top this on any nude color and then it's just gonna make it pop a little bit more. I've been really into gloss lately and I love the way this looks. I love the way it came out, especially with that little pop of glitter right there on the eye. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe down below. Also give me a thumbs up. Comment down below if you guys got the bundle and what you think and what is your favorite shades from the palette, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks guys, bye.